Have you ever imagined a world where sneezing could land you in trouble? In the small town of Wheezeville, an outrageous law declared sneezing illegal. The lawmakers claimed it was a public health hazard, but the residents felt differently. Armed with handkerchiefs and a sense of humor, they defied the law in the most creative ways. Soon, an underground sneeze festival emerged, complete with contests to see who could sneeze the loudest without getting caught. As laughter rang through the streets, the town council realized how ridiculous their law truly was. Ultimately, the spirited rebellion led to the law's repeal, restoring the right to sneeze freely.